As a seller, how can you save money when selling your home? Now, listing your home as a for sale by owner is one way to save money when selling. Now, if you're thinking about going the for sale by owner route, you will have your work cut out for you, I promise. But you may end up saving some money in the long run. Now, you won't have to worry about listing agent fees, but you'll likely need to offer commission to the buyer's agent, so they'll bring clients to see your home. Letting others know your home is on the market is an essential first step. You can do this without an agent by using a flat fee service to list your home on the multiple listing service. Now, that will allow buyer's agents to be able to find your home to show clients. Be aware though, that while you may save money on agent fees by selling your home yourself, you may sell the home for less in the long run. And statistics show that 7 out of 8 for sale by owners aren't successful. And of the 1 out of 8 who are, they tend to sell their house 70% of the time for less than full market value. So you definitely want to hire a real estate professional, at least to give you an assessment so that you can have a good idea on what you're signing up for if you decide to go the for sale by owner route.